Hi guys, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April. This month's theme is Boxy Spring Revival, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in it. Yes, I did color my hair. If you have been here for a while, my hair is different. I had a friend do it. She did a dark purpley red up top, purpley red roots with a nice rosy pink on the bottom. I am obsessed with it. It's not quite done yet, but hopefully by the end of the video I'll have it done so I can show you guys. But here's kind of what it looks like from the back. So let's go ahead and get right into the box. We're going to do this try-on style, and I'm excited for it. I am loving what's in my box so far. Let's just get right into it. Alright, let's start with the two items that I'm actually not going to try on camera today because, quite honestly, it's just not going to work out for the video. And the first one is the Sila Glacier Clay Cleanser. I'm not going to try this because I've got a lot of other face washes and cleansers open right now. But I am looking forward to trying it eventually. It doesn't really smell like anything. It kind of smells like clay, kind of strong. So I don't know how much I'll really like it, but hopefully it'll go well on the skin. And this here retails for $45. So this might be the item in the box that probably was put in the box to get the value of the box up. I don't think you need to spend that much on a face cleanser, especially when you can get some cheap cleansers anyway. The next item that I will not be trying out on camera is this Christopher Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. This retails for $39, and I briefly tried it yesterday. It says you can use it for damp or dry hair. I did not like it for dry hair, quite honestly, because I just dyed my hair. I'm really hesitant on what to put into my hair until I kind of get past like that 3 to 7 day mark where the majority of it's not going to wash out. So I'll probably use this eventually. I just don't want to use it right now. And again, this might be one of those items I was put into the box to get the value of the box up. So I might like it. I always love getting hair products from Boxycharm. I love trying out some more high-end hair products because I really don't know what to look for in those. So most of my hair products from Boxycharm, for the most part, I do end up really liking them. But let's move on to an item that I do like, and I did try all of these yesterday, so I kind of have a little bit of an opinion already, or at least a first impressions. And this is the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Rose Quartz. This retails for $22, and so I'm just going to go ahead and just apply this on my eyes, see if I can get it on camera. There, and I just kind of apply it directly there. My eyes are already primed and set. I feel like this would be a really good, like, one and done like eyeshadow, and for $22 that sounds like about right for any good high-end eyeshadow. It did crease a little bit at the end of the day, but not by much. I think if you were to layer it to let it dry down completely and then go back with it, so far I am absolutely loving this, and I love how that looks on my eyes. Alright, so that's kind of what it looks like with the eyes done. I put my bronzer in my crease, and I just added a deeper brown in the outer corner just to kind of liven up the eyes and complete the look. But let's go on to my choice for the month, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This has been on my wish list since it came out, I think 2 years ago. I almost had an opportunity to pick it up in the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, not this time around, but like the fall of 2021, and I didn't, and I've been regretting it ever since. So when this came in my box, I was so excited. I was like trying to get to the choice as soon as possible, and then I like forgot that the choice was open, so I almost didn't get it, and I got disappointed, but I'm so glad I got it. I got it in my right shade. I'm typically I got 200 warm, so I got it in like the right shade, but I think the undertone is a little bit off. But considering I'm a neutral warm, I feel like the undertone works. If I need to like lighten it up a little bit, I don't think it would be bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with a brush today. I did try this out briefly yesterday, but I tried out with a beauty blender and a different primer. Today I'm just using a dewy primer and a brush. You only need like half a pump. A little bit goes a long way. I'm liking that with a brush better. Some foundations I find that I prefer to apply with a brush and some with a sponge. It's really weird. It's just some formulas work better with different ways, but I'm actually liking that. I have my mirror right next to me, so I'm looking this way. It's because of my mirror. But I'm liking that application with a brush a lot better actually than with a sponge. And my preferences go back and forth. I kind of change pretty much daily whether or not I want to use a sponge or a brush. But this, yeah, this retails for $38. Did I say 22? I meant 38, which sounds about right. Yeah, especially for Anastasia. And I did end up really liking this. I like the wear time on it. But yeah, it definitely looks dewy. Probably not oily skin friendly, but I definitely like the way it made my dry skin look. You gotta be careful because though I am wearing a dewy primer today, it might be something I might prefer with a more mattifying primer underneath, or just not so glowy, because there's definitely a lot of glow and a lot of shine in it already. Alright, last up is the Item Beauty Lash Lengthening Mascara. Here's the wand. This honestly reminds me of the Ulta Beauty New Heights Mascara, which is my all-time favorite mascara, and this retails for $15. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up on it, but here's one eye not done and one eye done, and I absolutely love what it does to my lashes. I love that I can get down in there and really lengthen them. So I definitely think I will love this one. But if you do have the Ulta New Heights Mascara, and you don't have this and you're not using Boxycharm, I would just go ahead and purchase that one because I feel like it is the exact same thing. But I'm just glad to have another one of these in my box. So I'm going to go finish the rest of my face, curl this hair, and I will be back for my final review. Alright, there's the hair done, curled, pretty fun. Makeup's done. The total value of the box is $159. All in all, I think I really like this box. I really love the foundation, the eye glaze, and the mascara. I don't yet know about the other two items, so hopefully I'll like them. So overall, I think this box was a hit. I love it, and that's everything. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day. Let me know what you got in your box down below, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.